The next topic is internet connection. What is internet connection? An internet connection is a service provided by an internet service provider in exchange for a fee, which means the telephone companies that provides us the internet connection like Airtel, Jio, Vodafone Idea and so on. These companies are the ISP, Internet Service Provider. You will not be able to access internet unless you subscribe for a connection with an ISP. Okay. Examples: BSNL, Airtel, Jio, VI, that is Vodafone Idea, and so on. There are many types of internet connection: dial-up connection, broadband connection, digital subscriber line, cable TV connection, satellite connection, wireless connection, mobile internet, and hotspots. I will explain you all the types of internet connection one by one. Dial-up connection. Dial-up connection requires the users to link their phone line to a computer in order to access the internet. Earlier, we used to have the landline connection. So, in that case, the landline connection was used for the internet connection. This particular type of connection does not allow the user to make or receive calls while using the internet, which means if your telephone line is connected with the internet, at that time you cannot make or receive any calls. Next is broadband connection. As the term suggests, this connection uses wide bandwidth, which provides high-speed internet access through various transmission mediums. It is significantly faster than a dial-up connection. Using broadband, you can share videos, download music, programs, or photos within no time. Broadband connection does not disrupt your phone line, so you are free to make and receive calls while online. Next is cable TV connection. This type of connection is provided through cable TV lines. It uses a cable modem which provides extremely fast access to the internet. Satellite connection. Digital subscriber line. A DSL uses two-wire copper telephone line. It allows you to make calls even when you are connected to the internet. It is a form of broadband connection where you are required to pay a monthly fee to an ISP for accessing the internet. Wireless connection. Wireless connection makes use of radio frequency to connect to the internet and offers great speed. Okay, like these days we are using Wi-Fi and all. It can be accessed from any location that comes under the network coverage area. It requires a Wi-Fi modem to be connected to your computer. Mobile Internet. Mobile Internet allows a user to access Internet over a smartphone using the network provided by the phone service provider. This technology provides high-speed wireless Internet access. The speed generally varies between 2G, 3G and 4G. Next is hotspots. You all are very well aware with this term. Hotspots are sites that provide wireless Internet access over short distances, approximately 20 meters. It uses Wi-Fi technology and allows the users to connect to the Internet through radio waves. Hotspots can be phone-based, commercial or free to the public and can be found at places such as airports, universities, cafes and hotels. So this is all for today, children. Thank you so much.